pepper. Okay. Okay, people, so tonight we have stuffed peppers on the menu. So before, when I heard like stuffed peppers, I would think like, damn, oh, he knows how to cook stuffed peppers. This is so easy, it's not even funny. So it's like, just watch how simple I'm gonna try to make this. And also I'm gonna have my nephew record this one, so if it's a little shaky or whatever, let's just give him a break. Okay, let's get to it. I hand it off to him. Okay, so come just follow me. Go ahead, show him. We're gonna go with 3 peppers. I got a pack of assorted colors. You get whatever peppers you want. Whatever lean meat you want. We're going with chicken breast today. I got the pre-cooked chicken breast with our fat-free mozzarella. And we got our frozen veggies. We got here 3 ounces of our chicken breast, a serving of the fat-free mozzarella, so 28 grams, I believe. We have 3 servings of our frozen veggies, and the frozen veggies, I just weighed out and I popped in the microwave for like 5 minutes, and these are ready to eat right now if you want your veggies just like that. And I just want to show you guys what we're doing with these peppers. So, super simple. I'm gonna take out my 3 peppers. I'm gonna cut the tops off. Let me get this out the way. Oh, so that is our oven preheated at 350 degrees. So it's ready to go. So I just like doing that. I like to have a garbage nearby. So now that that is like that, I kind of just get in here and I cut the pepper out. And to me, it's all right if there's some seeds in there. I don't mind. If you want to take the seeds out, take the seeds out, right? So this is super simple, what I'm doing here. See that? How it's kind of, how I just have it like that? Shout out Gabe for recording this. My nephew.
Yep, you should.
I should shout you out?
Yep.
Okay. Shout out my nephew. Thank you, buddy. Just like that. So it's not perfect. And I'm gonna just come over here. I'm gonna give him a little rinse out. Check this out, what I got. So I just have this right here. This is like what I use. And I'm gonna just put the peppers right in it. Just like so. And they're kind of stuck in there. My 3 servings of veggies. Just like that. Stuffing the peppers up. You do this however you want. Like I said, you pick whatever lean meat you want. But I just got some chicken breast on hand. This is super simple, man. You're gonna love this. I'm gonna use the rest of my chicken breast and just stuff it down in there. See that? A little veggie left over. And then we're gonna pop this in the oven. So we got that at 350 degrees for 50 minutes or 55?
50.
50, okay. So we're gonna pop it in there for 50 minutes. Okay, so our peppers are done, and I'm gonna just click broil and take these puppies out, just like so. I'm gonna just put. Okay, so let's switch to broil. The serving of mozzarella just went on. And I'm gonna put that on the top rack for 2 minutes. Timer's going off. I'm gonna just cancel everything out. Okay. And we get that. So our cheese is kind of melted. It's not all the way melted, but that's perfectly fine. You can put it in for another minute if you want, but it's gonna continue to melt. So now I'm gonna plate it. Oh, what do we want? What do we want? Boom. Go with some honey barbecue on top of two of them. And now we're gonna enjoy this. Cheese, chicken, veggies. That's insane. That's so good. The honey barbecue seasoning. I'll also go with some Cholula. It's my favorite hot sauce, Cholula. It was like Cholula or Tapatio, but man, I really have been enjoying this Cholula lately. These things are hefty. This meal is so low calorie. Have this as a side as well. You can combine these meals that I have on the channel into one meal, and you're gonna be full. Like, you're just gonna be extremely full and satisfied, and you're not gonna feel like you're dragging ass or you're just sluggish or anything. These meals make you feel good. Well, considering I'm eating this right out of the oven, so it's really hot. That's another hack. Eat your food when it's really hot, so you have to take your time eating it. Beautiful. This is easily customizable too. All these recipes are meant to just help you guys out, kind of get an idea of how to do something and just make it into your own. I mean, you see, I just very simply pop that in the oven. You could put just about anything inside these peppers. The reason I'm stuffing it with more veggies and just some chicken is to keep it low calorie. That's, if you want it high calorie, throw in some full fat, you know, whatever, drizzle some olive oil, like whatever. This is just easy, simple. We're learning how to cook. That's all it is. It's like I'm getting like stuffed off this. Like, yeah, sometimes some nights I'll be more hungry than others. I'll incorporate the other meals with this, but this is just a lot. Shout out Flavor God. If you don't have Flavor God seasonings, I would really consider looking into that. Okay. That's gonna do it for this one. That's my take on stuffed peppers. And see you guys in the next one.